What's up, lit fam? It's your girl and I'm back with another lit video. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, like, and share, comment, and let me know you're new. And welcome to the lit fam. As you can see in the back, it's another house tour. We just got here in the beautiful Myrtle Beach. We back again, but we in a different location and we're about to turn up. Okay, so let's go ahead and hop into it. Don't forget to subscribe. No, I'm just playing. This is a little outtake of, you know, is I'm recording? Okay. Let me make sure. Okay, y'all, so we're about to go in and check it out. Y'all get the first look. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I'm trying to make sure it ain't blurry for y'all. Okay, what we have here? Mirror. You know I love the details. Love the details. I'm gonna try to go slow for y'all. So we're going up the steps. Half a bath.
Here, do I have to go through the garage and take the elevator upstairs?
Okay. We have this ambiance. This is your room. This must be the master.
Come on around and look. Yes.
Oh yes, look at it. Look at it, y'all. Ceiling fan. You know what I'm saying? You know I love the wall decor. Bathroom. Oh yes. You got the color. This is the color you wanted too. Yes. Yes. And then it has a toilet in here. Separate toilet. Some more wall decor. Double sinks. Nice tub. Walk-in shower. Yes. Okay. Oh, she has a closet over here. Closet. Oh, look at this closet. Look at this closet. Let's see. Look at this closet. Big. Okay. We see you. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, let's keep going. So, in here is the kitchen. Beautiful kitchen.
It's one door.
Table. Windows. Windows. I love that. I don't know if y'all can see it.
3 upstairs.
3 upstairs.
Yeah, you and Kevin. Angel and Eric. Ray. What is it, 4?
We're going upstairs. Look at the chandelier. More steps. Whoo!
Yes.
Be these steps.
That's 1. I thought it was 5. Didn't you say 5?
Yeah, it must be one downstairs. Yeah.
Downstairs?
Downstairs. This is one. This is a nice room too.
All the rooms are.
Oh.
Every room got their own bathroom.
Yes, yes. And we going to bathroom. Look at it. Beautiful, beautiful. I love it. Beautiful. And then, what is this? Room number 2. Okay. Room number 2. Beautiful. And it also has bathroom. All the bathrooms look like they're the same, but they're big for them to be, you know, window. Okay, so that's room 2. And then we at room number 3. Room number 3. I think I like room number 1. Comment down below and let your girl know which room y'all digging so far. And I ain't talking about the master, because we already know the master is lit. Okay. This bathroom got a big closet. Look at this closet. Stop playing. Stop playing. Okay. Now I believe this is the elevator. Let's see. Well, this is extra beds. Oh, they got extra beds. This is, I believe this is the elevator. Oh, and they got this red thing right here. Okay, so we're gonna go back downstairs, y'all. They got extra beds in a closet, like roller beds. Okay, before we go downstairs, we're gonna check out. Is that a bed? It's a bed outside, Jesus. Let me open up this. Okay. Oh, this is screened in. I love it. Yeah, stop fucking playing with us. Pool, this is screened in, y'all. Oh my God, the pool is so big, but they should have cleaned it. But the pool is so big. It's wonderful. Get this beautiful table. Oh my God, I'm so in love. Okay, this is the living room area. Couch, you know, table, TV, chairs, get into the vibe, ceiling fan, clock on the wall. And what is this? In this closet, the washing machine and dryer unit, cabinets, iron. Okay, my bad, I'm almost done,
Your ass ain't about shit in here.
I'm finna. What, down here? Oh, snap. Oh, do you know they got a bed outside on the couch in the screened-in area? So this is the second living room, which we're taking this downstairs because they love to be downstairs. And we right by the pool. So, you know, here go our bathroom. You know what I'm saying? Get into it. The door opens up to the pool, which I'm gonna go out there.
I got the rest of Tamara, what you doing?
And
I brought your bag in, didn't I?
this is our room. Babe, you sure you want this room?
What's wrong with it?
This bed a little small, but it's okay.
You got a whole downstairs, man.
You always want to be downstairs. I'm gonna just put my phone down right here. Once again, if y'all know what I'm talking about, y'all know what I'm talking about. And this is the elevator. That's the elevator, and I believe this might be the garage. Yes, this is the garage. So y'all, I'm finna take y'all out. Let me take this mask off, child. Finna take y'all out to the pool area because we're having a glow pool party tonight. So let me open up this door. Ooh. Forgot, you gotta press the door. Press the button. Okay. Here goes the pool area. And you can just walk in, you know your girl gotta you gotta press the button. This thing on, cause it's a sensor. So let's see. Ooh, this water cold. Look. Woo! Woo! But the pool area, lounge chairs and stuff. We need to like sweep this, like. But yeah, so that's that. Now oh, I done left my shoes outside. Okay. So now it's time to go. But look at the wall decor, y'all. Stop playing. Stop playing. Okay. But now it's time to go because I need to decorate and get into it. So y'all seen the house. Ooh, get into it. Okay, I'm coming. Okay. Whew. The door. We got drinks and stuff. You know. Whew. Yeah. Okay. So that's it.
All night long. She ain't walking up no stairs.
Peace out. Here
I ain't gonna lie.
till next time, stay lit off love and life. It's your girl.
From the garage to the house.